What is your main selling point for the monthly membership?
That's actually the best question we've gotten so far, honestly. Okay, let me give you like a little quick overview of why you want to sign up for Vicrez Plus membership. So
Mr. Producer, take it away.
So if you look here for this particular product, so you regular price will be $879, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if you're a Vicrez Plus member, you buy this for $791. So just with one purchase alone, which is $14.99, you save a really good amount. So let me pull up the calculator. So we have 879 minus 791. Just with one purchase alone, you save $88. So by you being a Vicrez Plus member, you get discounted prices on all of our products. Okay, you don't believe me? Let's go on another really popular product for the charger, which is the BC10 2199. What else do we have? Any really product.
And what's it called?
So
and
this
priority
one.
shipping.
So we got here this. No, not that. Let's go to look at the hoods. Let me pull this. So this one. Regular price is $18.79 with it's on sale, but if you're a Vicrez Plus member, you get this for $17.96. So let's go again. 1879 minus $17.96, $83. So just with one purchase alone, you save more than what you pay for monthly membership. Not only that, but also you get expedited shipping on all of our orders. Also,
Priority shipping.
Yes, and also if it's a Vicrez Plus member, so we don't have nothing. Okay, unless it's in stock, unless it's the product is in stock, it will not qualify as a Vicrez Plus membership, or will not be displayed as a Vicrez Plus member, because we don't have that unless it's in stock, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to offer expedited shipping. So if it has the Vicrez Plus members sign, it means it's in stock and ready to ship. Even if you're not a member, you ensure that you get that right away, just because it's in stock. Once again, we wouldn't be able to offer those as under our Vicrez Plus membership. So just to have a better another example, let me pull this wheels. Let's go to the wheels too as well. So we got the hoods here. So see this one has Vicrez Plus. This doesn't, which means this is not in stock right now. And no, it's not. We literally have quite a few back orders, because this is the most popular hood we have for the charger. So every time we stock, they sell out within 2-3 weeks, and we stock over 100 of these hoods. So let me put a little more into perspective. So once again, this is not in stock. Why? Because it doesn't show up the Vicrez Plus membership. So see, so this goes for $1,289. But if you're a Vicrez Plus member, you get it for $1,160. Same thing goes here, 68. This is not also in stock, so that's why it doesn't have the Vicrez Plus membership sign. Same thing for this. So this goes for $1,066, but if you're a Vicrez Plus member, you get it for $959. Same thing goes for, god damn, this, you save a lot of money on this one. Almost $200. This is not in stock. Yeah, this one is also super popular. This one sells out right away. This is for the Durango hood. This is in stock. Anything that you see the Vicrez Plus sign, it's in stock. So right away I know this is in stock. This is not in stock. Not in stock. Yeah, we got a bunch of back orders for this one. Seems pretty popular for this one. Then in stock. But once again, you save here, right here, you save over $100. $100. So it's a no-brainer not to be a Vicrez Plus member. $200. $100. We also, even the Tesla hoods, we have those in stock. Anything that has a Vicrez Plus membership, it's in stock. But yeah, that was actually a pretty good question.
Mm-hmm.
And once again, the membership. Okay, how you sign up for the membership? Super simple. So see, it says back order restocking soon. Yeah, those are how the Vicrez Plus membership. This one, how do you sign up? You want to get this hood for this price, you click here and you sign up, join now. So you can choose between $14.99 a month,
$19.99 for the year membership.
So let's go for the $14.99. So boom, you go over to people literally pays itself. It's crazy. Why not sign up, be a member? Expedited shipping, 100% worth it. And it's true, like it will be a no-brainer not to be a member.
Yeah, so that was actually a good question. It brought that topic up if people always wanted to wonder about it.